guys, welcome back to Urban Treats, where we show you easy recipes you can make at home. Today we are making vegan strawberry muffins. Check these out. Absolutely delicious, easy to make, and ready in just 15 minutes. As always, the ingredients are in the description. Let's get started. We start off by combining our dry ingredients. In fact, I have 2 cups of flour, which I'll put here in my big mixing bowl. 2 cups of flour is around 230, 240 grams of flour. But as always, the ingredients are going to be in the description in both metric and imperial measurements. So we have 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So that's approximately 120 grams of sugar. We have some baking soda. These are 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And some vanilla sugar. So this is ready vanilla sugar, 2 teaspoons. Just pop them right in there. And we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give this a quick stir. The reason we mix dry ingredients first is because when we make cakes, we don't want gluten to build in the dough, and that will give us a nice and spongy, soft cake. Now, next we're gonna add in the olive oil, and this is 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. That's 45 grams of extra virgin olive oil. And olive oil tends to keep cakes spongier and moist. And I have some unsweetened almond milk. This is 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I don't remember the exact amount of grams, but it's in the description. Just combine this and don't overstir. We just want it to be nice and smooth. And actually for this point we're going to use, we're actually now going to use our hand mixer. It's going to make it a lot easier. You can use a whisk, but hand mixer will speed it up tremendously. Okay, and this is the type of consistency you want to get, a nice, smooth, little bit runny batter. If you feel that the batter is too tough or too dry, then add a little bit more almond milk, because flour is not always the same and sometimes you need a little more or less. And it's always easier to add more liquid than to remove liquid or to add more dry ingredients. Now let's set this aside and we'll prepare the strawberries. So I have a cup of strawberries here. Let me just make some space here. Let's just prepare our strawberries, nice and fresh strawberries. We just cut off the top and then just cut them through the middle, again through the middle, and then one sideways. So we have nice little cubes. There you go. Already, and we'll literally just drop this into the batter. There you go. And you can use a spoon or a spatula, just fold it in. Try not to break the strawberries or mash them, really gently. Okay, that's ready. Set aside. And now we prepare the muffin form. Let me just move this over here. So this is a simple muffin tin, and you can either, if you want, flour the muffin tin and pour the batter directly into the muffin tin, or if you want, you can use these little paper cups, which makes it a lot easier to get them out afterwards. And if you want to present them at a party, or if you want to make them as a gift, then these look really nice and cute. So just add them into the muffin tin. There you go. That's it. And now we just fill them up. And these are going to blow up a little bit, maybe not as much as traditional muffins, but they will blow up a little bit. So we're going to fill in just slightly under the rim, And now using my spoon, I'm gonna fill them up one by one. I'm gonna distribute 1 tablespoon at a time, and I'm gonna fill them up a little bit under the rim because they're gonna blow up a little bit, but not as much as traditional muffins. Let's do that. It will actually help you if you use a second spoon to push it out of the big spoon. So I use a little teaspoon, fill it up a little bit, like here, and then just push it out with a little spoon. Makes it a ton easier. And that's it, they're ready. Simple, easy, quick, and vegan. Now all we have to do is pop it in the oven. I've already preheated the oven before I started at 175 degrees. That's approximately 340 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna bake them for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how quickly they turn brown. We can of course do the skewer test. We just poke them with a little bit of a skewer and see if they come out clean. And if they come out clean, they're done. So let's do that now. The muffins are ready and they look absolutely amazing. We're gonna let this cool down and then I'll see you for the taste test. And that's how easy it is to make vegan strawberry muffins. Ready for the taste test? Let's see how they look on the inside first. Check this out. Strawberry in the middle, really nice, soft and spongy, and I'm sure they're gonna taste absolutely great. Let's get the paper off. Oops, here we go. Ready? Can't believe these are vegan, they're so good. Wow. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.